We had taken out the water from the chicken tray and put it in a pot, and then again in this curry we will heat the pan and we will put a full size lemon juice in the curry. One full lemon, right? It has already been squeezed. Squeeze one full lemon inside the curry powder. Not the curry powder, the gravy. The water that we took out from the chicken tray.
And we will add the...
फिर से दिखा दो, ग्लास दिखा दो बस. So we would be putting half glass of water inside the curry. So the gravy.
When it start boiling...
Are you going to put some curry powder inside?
Yeah,
okay.
When it start boiling,
okay.
Then we will put the bisto gravy.
When we will see a first boil in the gravy, we'll put some, this is chicken. What is this?
Bisto gravy.
Bisto gravy. This is like curry powder, granules. So you will find in any supermarket. So you can purchase it and put 1 tablespoon.
No, just put maybe 2 tablespoons.
Okay,
you feel if it's...
I have chopped 1 red onion, medium size. This is in round shape. We'll put this onion inside the gravy.
Enough for you.
Enough? Okay. We are just putting half of the onion.
You can put 1.
You can put 1, whatever you feel like. I mean, this is optional. After having 1 boil, we can put 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of...
Wait.
And we have to keep stirring it till it becomes thick.
That's all. 2 spoon डालूंगी. 1 is not enough.
2 tablespoon. 1 more. Yay. So the curry is ready, right?
No, yes. You have
Not
to
yet.
Cook 5-10 minutes.
Okay. You have to.
You can see the thickness of
You can see actually the thickness of the gravy.
You still need 5
You have to still cook. Yeah, you still have to cook for 5 more minutes, and then the gravy will be ready.
बस boil होती रहेगी, ready है वैसे.
The gravy is ready. I'll show you the thickness. Yay.